is what I am.
Rumi, no.
You knew.
That was a mistake from the very start.
Do what you should have done.
I can't. But I made a promise. So I did my best to accept you.
Accept me? You told me to cover up, to hide.
Yes, until we can fix everything. And we still can. We can cover those up and put everything right again.
No, no more hiding. No more lies.
Rumi, we can still fix this.
Don't you get it? This is what I am.